we got the Bronco, I'm thinking it was around November. So, you know, we've been working on it about 5 months. A lot's happened over the last 3 or 4 months. So in the beginning, it was just a lot of tear down to see what we have. Then it expanded to take the frame, reinforce it, take it to sandblasting, take it over to powder coat. And once we got the frame to about the place that we wanted it and bolted on the components and made sure that the Coyote crate motor fit in there with the transmission, then Josh, our technician's been working diligently at the body.
Very happy with the way that turned out. Absolutely, very happy. That is awesome. That's a huge piece of the puzzle out of the way.
Almost every panel on the body, excluding the skeleton, the floorboard, and the inner structure, has been replaced. The outer quarter panels, the fenders, the hood, the whole core support, all that's been replaced with new panels. It probably added 200 to 250 extra man hours to rework the frame and some of the body components.
The more perfect and the closer you get it, the initial start, the easier everything else that you build off of is going to go.
I'd say we're about 75% of the way done. We're hoping to have it in paint next week and then have it assembled and ready to drive by mid-July, and then take it over to Florence in August for the Bronco Roundup.